Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I want to do an unboxing of my first ever Dior purchase. I've just never actually found the urge to buy anything from Dior until I walked into the store and after couldn't really find any sunglasses that I like from the other major brands. I used to keep a Chanel sunglasses, a non-prescription one that I really liked, but unfortunately it was stolen from my car that was parked inside the garage, and since then I've been scarred from buying another luxury brand sunglasses, and it's been almost 10 years probably since I've lost that pair of sunglasses. But I've decided, given my recent interested in buying luxury brands, I've decided to look for a replacement pair finally. Before this time I've been just using a good old Cancer Council sunglasses, which did the trick, but now I'm ready to pamper myself a little bit. So here it is. It's actually quite a different style to what I had previously, because of my face shape. I've found it quite difficult to find frames that suit my face shape well. I do have a bigger face, and a face that I would say is probably an oblong type of face shape, and what I find is if I do the cat eye, my face just gets pulled up even longer, and hence I've managed to find this type of frame from Dior. Unfortunately, it was the last pair on the floor, but I've checked the quality. It was okay. There were no scratches, and I really like the uniqueness the color of of the frame. It's not the color that I've came across much. It's a gray transparent acetate frame that has a bit of a green tinge to it, and that's something quite unique, and it also suits my skin tone quite well. When I was actually quite surprised when I wear it. It's just got the logo on the side there, so quite simple, no bling bling diamonds, studs or anything like that at the front, so just quite simple, but with a very unique type of color to the frame, so I quite like this. The other added advantage to this frame is the nose bridge, the nose padding area. It actually fits my Asian flat nose quite well. So yeah, look, I'm very impressed with the Dior's packaging overall. There is one thing I do want to say though, is they must have sprayed really strong Dior perfume into the bag before the product was put in. It would have been nice if I would tolerate the smell, but the smell is just a bit too strong for my liking, and it's not the type of smell that I enjoy. The case that it comes in, it's a bit too bulky though, although it is quite a nice case, but it is a bulky case, particularly in modern days where most handbags are smaller in size. That's something that I would need to take care of by buying a sunglasses pouch, a slimmer one that I can fit into my bag. But that's it from me today. A short video unboxing of my recent Dior purchase. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing to my channel. My channel really trying to focus on mindful consumption, trying to resist the temptation of buying into trend, but really buying something that I love, that I know I will use and that I will treasure. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.